Dear Emily, today and for the past 5 years, I felt like the luckiest person in the world. I met my best friend, my wife, and someone who I always know will love and support me for who I am.
We are finally here. The day I've been praying for since I was a little girl. You have always been my person, my best friend, and now my husband.
I'd give up everything to be with you, and I truly mean that. No amount of success means anything unless I have you and our family. Thank you for always being there for me and pushing me to be better every day.
I'm so lucky I get to be your wife. Watching you grow into the man I am standing in front of today has been the greatest joy of my life.
I never want to lose our ability to push each other and be better. It's one of our foundational elements that has made our relationship so successful. I know I'm not the easiest person, but your love and kindness to me is what I'm so grateful for.
I pray for our future and the impact we will make on the lives of others. I know with you by my side and God guiding us through it all, this life ahead will be extraordinary.
Golly! You truly support me, and I'll never take that for granted. I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you. Buckle up, because it's going to be an incredible and impactful life that we live, and I thank God that we have each other. No matter what happens, just know that I got your back. I love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Thomas Schreiber.
Emily and Thomas 2023. Cheers!
Here we are. Finally made it. The big day. Finally here for Thomas and Emily. And if you're in this room, it's because you love these two like crazy.
I just wanna love you.
Basically, I love them both, and I could tell from the get-go that they were perfect for each other. I want your marriage to be filled with the boundless happiness that I know both of you have, as well as the laughter that I know echoes in your house and will continue to for the many years to come.
I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you.
Thomas, now you have Emily. And I can't emphasize enough how perfect Emily is for my brother.
Cheers to Emily and Thomas, two souls intertwined in love today, forever, and always.
I just wanna love you.